Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Sharma here, and this is the second flight of my M2 helicopter after the crashes. This is the second flight. The first flight went very well. The pitch curves were slightly lower. Now I physically recentered changed the position on the servo horns, and gonna see how it goes. If I'm back to my original, I'm back to my original setup, on like original feel on my pitch curves. Helicopter is pitching backward slightly. I gotta center the gyro for that. Apart from that, everything is fine. Let's see how it goes on idle up. Of course, idle up is rock solid. Yeah, there's nothing bad on idle up. Yeah, my backward flight, I have to practice a lot on my backward flight. A lot of wind coming from my left. Somewhere in the middle, I'm hearing a strange rattling sound. Yeah, right there. That is the point. Anyway, flies really nice, locked and solid. The only thing is that you need to realize, once you crash your helicopter, you have to repair it and go back through settings, tweaking, until you get to your original feel of the helicopter which you enjoyed on a very first day. Man, this thing can get faster. I might change the feathering bar as well, but so far I don't feel that the blades are not tracking well. So far the blades are tracking really nice and solid. So I want to save my, you know, feathering bar for the day. When it gets to that point where I really need to replace it. No, don't come closer to yourself when it's doing those heady speeds. The thing I love about collective pitch high performance helicopters is that no matter what wind, you're gonna have no impact at all. They fly absolutely as beautiful as they could. Obviously, without winds, you will have better luck on 3D stunts, but with winds, they still fly very well. And look how quiet it is. Let's not torture the battery. Okay, so I had 2 flights mixed with idle up 1, 80% throttle, idle 2, 100% throttle. Mixed flight, mild 3D, not much. Let's see what the batteries are feeling like. Battery 1, 3.7, 3.7, 3.7. Ooh, battery 2, I have really tortured this battery. 3.3, 3.3, 3.3. Oh man, I have tortured this battery.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?